goes up and it goes down.
Okay, so I am back with a Louise unboxing. Where are my flipping scissors? Okay, so this is the Louise Budget Box, I think for July. I think you guys explained to me that this is always a month behind because it comes from the UK. Sorry, my voice is a little like raspy because I was talking a lot, and for whatever reason, I feel like I have to yell at the camera. So sorry. So anyways, this box, I think after tax and the international doohickey, comes to like $56. I have not peeked at all, so I have no clue what is in it. Yes, I'm still in my PJs because that is how I live my life. Let's get into this. I'm really excited. Holy guacamole. What the heck? Okay, so the first thing that caught my, oh my gosh, Sweet Surrender, give into the temptation, the ultimate chocolate palette made with love. I have never had an eyeshadow palette from Louise. Not that I can think of anyways. The one I thought it was last month was like a liquid liner or an eyeliner or a watercolor eyeliner. I don't know. I gave it to Haley. She was quite excited. This is so big. Darn. I want everything to smell. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at this. We have like creams. Wow. I have absolutely no clue how to use that, but we'll try. Is that not the perfect fun little palette for every day? I mean, you've got some cool tones in here, but for the most part it's more on the warm side. You've got a nice ginormous mirror. This is freaking awesome. I don't know what the retail value is of this, but holy guacamole, I am so happy. The foils, they're so buttery. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, we'll be doing a look with that. That is awesome. Okay, so there's more. We've got the Louise base. All about the base, the base, the base. Alright, so I guess this is like a primer for your eyeshadows, which very much smart that they put it in there. You can carve out your brows, prime your eyes, cream, contour, and highlight. Huh, well that's cool. I've never tried that before. But I watch Mindy on her morning lives on TikTok, and I know she really likes that. What is this? Achieve the perfect pout. Hydrating formula. What is this? Two look like the same color. I got 4. Intense your color so you can. No censor. I know you guys are probably screaming at me. Is this a lippy? I think it is. Is it? It is, right? Ooh, quite very much don't like that color. What is that? So, I did a little research, and even though I don't like this color, that's okay. I shouldn't have put it over top of what I had on. This is actually the Louise Lip Base. It's a super hydrating and creamy formula, and it's going to help you achieve the perfect pout because it provides a stay true color for long-wearing, non-feathering, and non-bleeding application, unlike most lip products in the industry. Who cares? Okay, anyways, so it's actually nourishing. It's a smooth formula, and it's designed to help create the most kissable lips. So we've got vanilla. Oh, it has a vanilla scent. If it does, it's super soft. Maybe my sniffer's not working. Okay, it's very much a vanilla extract, not like a candy vanilla, which I don't mind. So the one I chose and just like slapped on is in Power Hungry. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Power Hungry. That is the shade. So it does say Power Hungry, and here is not a shade. What? Shoot. Maybe it's just a new shade. I don't know. It does say that it's Maya, and it definitely is, and I don't like the way that part feels, but I think if I layered it, then I think I'd probably like it. So they're pretty dark. So I'll play around with that. I think the idea is cool. It's pretty much like a lip primer. So I do like that. Hold on, I'm gonna put my Butterfly Kisses on top. Well, actually, hold on. We're getting ready to leave. So, what did I do? I'd rather have a lipstick on the way I want. So I like to mix Gemini and Hot Mess Momma and top it with Butterfly Kisses. So I'm gonna fix that right quick and I'll be right back. I put Hot Mess Momma in the center and then I pat it in and then I top with Butterfly Kisses. She back. She is back. Okay, so we got 4 of those. So I guess I'm assuming that is actually, wow. Wiping it off of my hand, I can actually see like the smoothing effect that it has. So I see where it's going. I really feel like this is going to be like concealer. I was scared that was a concealer lips of like 2006. And I was like panicking. So this is just more or less a primer. I don't really understand the shade selection, but you know, that's okay. So that, but I did get 4 different shades. This just says intense, True Love Kiss, True Love's Kiss, Power Hungry, No Censor, and She's a Baddie. I really like the names. And then, of course, there was the primer. I already showed y'all. Then I got 3 sets of lashes in my sights, Feeling Fool, and For My Eyes Only. And I have to say, these are actually wearable lashes. I feel like they're not scary. They're not too dramatic. I think they're actually going to look really nice. And then the last thing in my budget box, ooh, it's glitter liners. And the shades are actually pretty. I don't really wear this kind of stuff, but that's okay because I do have a 24-year-old that does, so it works out great. Oh shoot, they're really pretty. Honestly, I feel like you could do a really pretty nude eye and then top this like right here where I have my shimmer. So that is a potential. Honestly, can I just say, I really like this box compared to last month. Last month, I was a little like ho-hum. Wait, what? Oh wait, I put them back in the box. Last month I was a little sad over the palette, but this completely came back strong. Like, I love this. Like I said, I don't know how to use like these cream shades. I'm assuming maybe that's going to be like a base to kind of help your shimmer stay down. I don't know. I'll have to like read the box and stuff and figure that out. But I am super happy with this large palette. It is so cute, and you guys know my love of pink. So this is really, really good, and I will play around more with these. I don't think I'm going to keep all of them. I'll probably gift some, or if Haley wants some, or put them in a gift for you guys. But overall, I am really liking this budget box. Like, this box was definitely like worth doing it again next month. I do not have a referral or an affiliate or anything. My understanding is they don't have anything like that. So if you want to pick up a Plouise budget box, I will have a link to Plouise down below. Let's just do it that way, because I am like 99% sure there is absolutely no referral link. You know what I mean? So anyways, let me know you guys' thoughts down below. I will come back to play with this palette and of course try out the products as well. Thank you guys once again for joining me on my weekly lives. I am loving getting to, I feel like I'm just getting to know you all better. And Stacy had a really good point, because I was saying, you know, I really would love to try and figure out how to do lives with my subscribers, which I can always do. But Stacy had a good point of not everybody can afford to do the YouTube member program thing, which I never even gave that a thought. And so she said, keep doing the lives for everyone. And if you can figure something out for us, cool. But that was really, really smart. So thank you, Stacy, aka Flawed and Fabulous, for that, because I did not think about that. So thank you for that. And yes, I will continue on with the lives because I freaking love talking to you guys. And check me out on my other channels. Hot Mess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls over there. Hot Mess in the House. Haley and I will eventually be back with our podcast. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hot Mess Momma 4. And thank you guys so much for absolutely everything. For chatting with me and interacting with me and watching these videos, sharing these videos on Facebook. Like, I just don't know how to, I just want to hug all y'all, but like, I'm also socially awkward. So just know that my heart thanks you guys bunches. So until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Bye.
Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wait.